So this is a little bit of a history lesson on this, and then it'll get directly into your question about assets, because I think there's a very important redistribution of wealth thing that is a story here that'll surprise people. So when I was in Brazil in 1997, the Asian crisis started with the Thai baht. So their currency came under attack. That was in June of 97. And then it took another year and change to get to the Russian default, to LTCM, to Tiger blowing up in terms of dollar yen. All of these different things occurred over that timeline. What people don't realize is before that month, nominal GDP in the US versus 10-year rates would normally be about 100 to 150 basis points above nominal GDP. Nominal GDP right now in the US is somewhere between 4.5 and 5, which means if we were back where we were before 97, we'd be somewhere around 5.5 to 6. The reason that's important is because we stayed below nominal GDP on 10-year rates for a long time. So who benefited from that? Well, part of that was QE, but this has really been long duration assets. So long duration assets for people involve VC, private equity, technology stocks, things where you're looking way into the future and discounting cash flows. My belief is that we are going to see 10-year rates start to migrate higher, and I don't see how the administration can control 10-year rates. They've already kind of lost control, and this is what brought the equity market back up. Is they saw 10-year rates, they went, whoa, the tariffs are causing a problem. 10-year rates, we can't have that. I don't think they can control 10-year rates, and I don't think Powell is going to be able to help because of the inflationary pressures. So what will happen just from a redistribution, I think long duration assets, you saw that not only Harvard, but all of the elite universities are talking about selling off their private equity and VC. I don't think people realize, but they have about 30 to 35% of their portfolio in these long duration assets. The globe is overweight long duration assets because that's what US assets are. So I think we're going to get into a situation, as I've talked about on here, where you don't want to be in long duration assets. And one of the benefits from that, it's not just commodities, it's not just healthcare, financials. The other place that is very, very good in long duration assets is Bitcoin. The opposite is Bitcoin.
At Strive.cc, our AI agent keeps finding amazing projects for you to invest in. Every day we have projects to do 10x, 20x. So join our free Telegram and enjoy. At Strive.cc, our AI agent keeps finding amazing projects for you to invest in. Every day we have projects to do 10x, 20x. So join our free Telegram and enjoy.